All right, so quick, easy recipe. So I wanted to do something different, and so I came up with this idea that I'm gonna cook some pig's feet, but I couldn't get salted pig's feet. So I figure, you know, if I can't get it, there must be a lot of people out there who can't get it either. So whether you're trying to get salted pig's tail or salted pig's feet, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a brine and show you how to salt your own pig's tail or your own pig's feet. So what I did, I get some cinnamon, some bay leaves, some allspice or pimento, a whole thing of salt, a whole thing of salt, right? So put a whole thing of salt. I got a bad thing for using my hands, but I don't think I want to put my hands in a thing of salt. I don't think that's healthy. So a whole thing of salt, some bay leaf. I said cinnamon, but it's not cinnamon, it's bay leaf. A bay leaf, some allspice. In the Caribbean they call it pimento, in America they call it allspice, and a half a gallon of water. So half a gallon of water, we mix that out. We make a brine. So we mix that out, a half a gallon of water, and pig's feet. Put them in there. So put the pig's feet in. We put them in one by one. And hit that like button if you haven't hit the like button before. If it's your first time on the channel, hit that red subscribe button. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you have pig's feet salted ready in your area, or pig's tail. If you have salted pig's tail ready in your area. A few of them jumped out. I want to keep those. Those are pretty hard to find, the pimentos. So we put our pig's feet in, and so we put that in the brine. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in our cooler for 3 weeks. Then we're gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna cook them up with some split peas. So stay tuned for the video, stay tuned for the vibe. Salted pig feet, this is the first part of a 2-part video. So first I salted my pig feet. I'm gonna put it in 3 weeks time. I'm gonna pull them out, I'm gonna chop them up, and I'm gonna make split peas and pig feet. See the toes? So cover it up, and I'm gonna put it in the cooler. Thanks for watching. See you in 3 weeks. We'll make split peas and pig feet.